Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to make a fluffy petticoat-like skirt in Nomad Sculpt. It's a simple method using the Tube Tool's Profile feature. Because we're using a tube, you can easily change the skirt shape by adjusting the radius. This time, we will create two types of profiles. If you simply change the skirt size using the radius, the pleats will get bigger and bigger, and it will lose that petticoat vibe. So we'll create one profile for fine pleats and another for larger pleats. Go to the Add menu and add a tube. Tap Profile in the Edit bar. Tap the Expand icon. Enable the X and Y planes. Tap the two snap icons to disable them. Tap the black dot to enter Curve Edit mode. Tap on the curve to add edit points and create the shape. Edit the profile so that there are 4 pleats between the X and Y axis pleats. Once the shape is done, tap Preset, then New to save the profile. After saving, we will make the profile for the larger pleats. Delete every other pleat and adjust the shape. Once this profile is ready, save it by tapping Preset, then New. Tap the Expand icon again to finish editing. At this stage, the tube won't match the preset shape yet. Increase the X division value in the Edit bar to make the shape smoother. Tap on Cap to remove the caps. Open the ends. Adjust the radius to shape it into a skirt. Now let's build the petticoat. Duplicate it from the Scene menu using Clone. Increase the radius so it sits wider than the first layer of pleats. Tap the Gizmo tool and rotate the pleat slightly to give it a more gorgeous, voluminous look. Create a third layer of pleats using Clone from the Scene menu. Adjust the radius. Since the pleats will look too large now, change the profile back to the fine pleats profile we made first. Create the fourth layer in the exact same way. Once the overall shape is complete, validate all of the tubes. Now let's add thickness. Tap Cell Mask and enclose the object using Rectangle mode. Tap the Cell Mask settings on the top right bar. In Extract mode, adjust the skirt's thickness using the Thickness slider. Tap Extract. Repeat this process for all of the objects. Once you have extracted everything, go to the Scene menu and delete everything except the objects with X in their names. The shapes might not be perfectly smooth yet, so go to Multi-Resolution on the left bar and tap Subdivide about 2 times. The petticoat is complete. The profiles we made today can also be used for sleeve frills or various other skirt shapes, so creating them once is super convenient. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up.